In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync data between tabs in your spreadsheet. This is the simplest and most reliable way to pull a number, like a total cost, from an expenses tab into a summary tab, so it always stays up to date. Start by clicking into the cell where you want the data to appear. This is your destination cell. Type a single equal sign. That equal sign tells your spreadsheet you're about to create a formula, and specifically that you want to reference something rather than just type a static value. Without pressing anything else, move to the tab that holds the original data. You'll usually find your tabs along the bottom of the window. Click the tab to switch to it. Even though you've moved to another tab, the formula you started is still active and waiting for your selection. Now click the exact cell that contains the value you want to link. For example, if your total cost is calculated in A1 on the Expenses tab, just click that A1 cell. As soon as you click it, you'll see your formula update to include the sheet name and cell address. It typically looks like this: sheet name, A1. The part inside the quotes is the tab's name, and A1 is the cell location. If your sheet name has spaces or special characters, the quotes will appear automatically. If it's a simple name, you might or might not see the quotes depending on your spreadsheet program. Either way, it works the same. Press Enter to confirm. That locks in the link. You'll be taken back to your destination cell, and it will now display the value from that original cell. The best part is that it stays in sync. If the number on the Source tab changes, your linked cell updates instantly, so your summary stays accurate without any extra work. A few quick tips to keep this smooth. If the link isn't pulling the number you expect, glance at the formula bar to confirm the sheet name and cell address are correct. If you rename the Source tab later, most spreadsheet tools will update the link automatically, but if something breaks, you can reselect the correct cell to fix it. If you copy this linked cell to other places, the reference may shift based on its position. That's normal behavior. And if the Source tab or cell is deleted, you'll see a reference error, which is your cue to relink. That's it. With a simple equal sign, a click to the right tab, a click on the right cell, and enter, you've created a clean, dependable link, sheet name,